Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler and it's train time. Well, we got something special coming for you, so let's turn this camera around and take a look. How cool was that first responders train? That was awesome. What a great catch that was. And on that note, Traveler saying, see you by the rails. Look at all these cars, hurry up. Well, I kind of been chasing this train around. I caught it in Broad Run, then I caught it over at the Powell yard, and now I'm here in Manassas. So let's turn this camera around and check it out. Got all these people waiting on the Amtrak train. Okay, I guess we'll end this video for a second time. That was pretty cool. All the people down here at Manassas hooting and hollering at the train there. Pretty neat. And I think that's going to do it. And on that note, Traveler saying, see you by the rails.